Are you still stuck searching for side hustles that actually work? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Here's how you can make $500 a week with zero tech skills. First up, Shortwave AI. It's an email writing assistant that helps you respond to clients faster and smarter, so you can make more money, less stress. Here's how it works. Back and forth with clients, trying to get them to pay you more, trying to get them to leave you good reviews. It's exhausting. The perfect response that gets you paid faster and gets you more clients. You see, when you're a freelancer, you spend a lot of time writing emails. You can use it to offer email services on Fiverr or Upwork. You can start today and earn your first $100 in less than a week. So what Shortwave does is it looks at your inbox, sees what your clients are saying, and then uses AI to help you write the perfect response. And the best part is you don't have to use Shortwave for your own business. So if you want to make more money, less stress, try Shortwave AI today. Next is Hagen, the AI avatar tool that allows you to create these types of videos using just a script. No camera needed, no voiceover skills needed. You can use it to make video ads for brands or even spokesperson videos. Then you choose a template. There are tons of different templates to choose from. After that, you enter your script and click on Create. And within seconds, the AI will generate a video with a voiceover and an avatar that you can then download and send to the client. And the best part is you can charge clients for it. Here's how it works. First, you go to a website and sign up for an account. Now, if you want to charge clients for this service, you can do that as well. You can set your own prices and offer your services on a freelancing website. And if you're wondering how much you can charge, well, the sky's the limit. But if you're good at marketing, you can easily charge $500 or more for a 60-second video. Here's one of my favorite tools. It's called Pictory. This tool takes any article or script that you feed it and turns it into a YouTube video. You can use it to start a faceless channel like this one where I talk about AI tools. I don't show my face. I just use a voiceover. But what's cool is that you can also use it to sell video creation services to small businesses. You can take their blog posts, for example, and turn them into YouTube videos and then charge them for it. Or you can take their scripts and turn those into videos. There's literally no limit to what you can do with this tool. And the best part is you don't need to be an expert in video editing. You don't even need to have any experience. Just use this tool and make videos like this one. AI is not just changing the world, it's paying the bills. There are over 2 billion people in the world who use AI tools on a daily basis. And as a creator, you can tap into this massive audience and earn money from the next big thing. Well, when people use your AI tool, they're generating content, and that content is often shared with others. And every time someone uses your tool and shares it, you earn money. So how does this work? All you need is an idea for an AI tool that solves a problem or makes people's lives easier. AI tools are not limited to any one industry or niche. You can create an AI tool for anything you want. This is a new way to monetize your content, and it's a way that anyone can do it. It's a great way to make money, and it's a way that anyone can do it. And here's the best part. So if you're thinking about starting a business or side hustle, consider creating an AI tool. Hit subscribe for more ways to earn smarter, not harder. This is NextMind, tech that thinks ahead.